Hey guys, today we're going to do the first tutorial of a series of tutorials, which is just a simple LED. For that you'll need your Arduino board, your breadboard, pair of wires, an LED, in this case green, and a 220 resistor. First of all, we'll put the resistor on the breadboard along a single line. In this case, I'll just choose H because why not? And then the left pin will be right on top of one of the pins of the LED, like this. And then, so along one column, the two pins are connected. Then take one of your wires, plug it in right up below the other LED pin, and then the other wire for the resistor pin. Doesn't matter where you put it as long as it's along the same column. And then this is gonna go into my board on pin number 13. And then the other one is gonna go into the ground pin on the power region. If you're not comfortable with how these work, take a look at the schematics. And that's it. And then we're gonna give power to our Arduino with the regular USB, I think this is type A. And then plug it in, and then there it is. I have preloaded the code, but I will show what the code is, and then you'll take a look. It's configured for pin 13. Thanks for watching.